So guys, if you are not ready to grow your hair, you must not wash this one. In this video, I am going to be soaking rice water for hair growth. Okay, so I am going to be adding water to my jug, everything totally clean. So guys, we are going to be leaving it for 1 or 2 days. So I am going to be adding water to this place now because I am going to be using this bowl to wash my rice. Okay, so this is the rice that I'm going to be working with. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing now, I am going to add my rice in this water so that I will wash it. You have to make sure that you wash the rice because of the bacteria. Okay, that helps you to get rid of those excess bacteria. Okay, so you must wash it. All right, so I am going to be throwing away the water. So I'm going to be adding another water to rest it, guys. I am going to be adding it inside this water here in this bowl. This is for massive hair growth, guys. You can leave yours for 1 day for 24 hours. So I am going to be leaving mine for 42 hours. All right. The next thing that I'm going to be adding in is clove. So I am going to be adding a bit of clove to it. Okay. I will also add a bit of rosemary to it because all work in terms of hair growth, guys. So I'll be adding a bit of rosemary to it. All right, because we want our hair to grow massively. Okay, if you have fresh rosemary, you are free to add it. All right, so I am going to be turning everything together. All right, so we are leaving it for 48 hours. Okay. So guys, this is it. See you guys in 2 days time. All right, so guys, this is it after 48 hours, after 2 days. Okay, so I am going to be sieving it out. So this clove, rosemary, and rice. Okay, this is for massive hair growth, guys. So guys, if you are not ready to grow your hair, so don't try this. Okay, so you can use it on your dreadlock. So it's for all hair types. Okay, this is for all hair types, so we don't need this. All right, you can also still blend this one to make your deep condition. Maybe I will use it to make my deep condition. Okay, rice deep condition, it helps a lot to grow hair. Okay, so guys, this is it. So this is our massive hair growth spray. Okay, so you must not wash this one off your hair. Okay, so I am going to be turning it here. This is it. So I am going to be adding my essential oil. So you can use citric oil also. It's just because of the odor, you know, we soak it for like 2 days. Okay, so this essential oil also helps to keep your hair shiny. Okay, it fights against dandruff and all of that. Okay, so that's it. It also makes your blood to flow well in your head. Okay, so this is it. So this is it. You must not waste it out. Okay, so if you use this, I will use it on my head now. You're going to be seeing it. Okay, so stay tuned and see me apply this. Okay.